And we are here. And there. Akeem over there. Andrew over there editing vlogs for you guys.
Yes.
You dig that? Today's a beach day. Just I go up on the beach today. Sip some pina colada, some coquito. So vlog girl we're there right now. Candy just forward, so you don't know. Beach time.
She got piercings up the
Blue.
blue face doggy.
So people finally make it. Finally make it. Travis is somewhere blue there somewhere. Out there hot. We forgot how to walk in the sun. Beach nice though.
Right now, vlog world, there beach. Over there.
Blue right there. We make it there.
Okay.
It's a brother a wild like what? Blue. Right now we are going home. The beach is so out here boring. Out here walk. Oh my god. We just reached and we are left already. We're there, go through the woods. All them places are so shallow.
No, but yeah, I'm crocodile there too, you know, so look on now. Yeah?
People, we still down Mount James. We just there Bill. Candy in our back. We don't know what she around there do.
We can do a movie over here too, you know.
Chabas want the movie over here too.
Like we chopping our forest.
Like we chopping our forest. Adam and Eve. Okay, we're gonna do it. Jesus. Swing time, you know?
I need that. Be a mosquito bite me, dog. Keep on moving.
Be a mosquito out there, dog. Mosquito deal with their way.
No fun.
People, look out there so swampy. You know, so when you're down Florida, they always tell you stay away from the swamp area, you know?
Crocodile.
Wild crocodile. 6:45. So right now we're completely lost. Completely lost.
So we know if we come back.
Blow a piece. People, out there dangerous. A monkey out there, listen there.
Monkey out there, you hear that?
You hear all of them something there?
Yo, you hear that?
Mosquito kill them. Watch out.
We kill him. Leptospirosis. Meringue.
Dengue fever. So now we're out of the jungle. We're back to civilization. Blue can't walk no more, so Chavas give him a ride. Mosquito bite out here. We just want to reach back here. At this point, we just want to go me yard. Me feel for a piece of mackerel. Me feel for rice. We just want mackerel and rice.
My dog overeat.
Tired. Mosquito bite. I kill we. Just reach home. Right now I'm tired. Hope to go cook, but I want to bathe first right now. So I go all fresh, then come back and cook. So people, right now, Chabas them upstairs a bathe. Me I wait for the pipe to turn on, and then me I go turn off the pipe out the door. Watch this. Me I go turn off the water upon them. Knock off the water upon them. Then get
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit, yo, no lie. Me I say, grassy water cutter. Are you remote for calling, you know? Yo, that one is good. You catch me, lie. You catch me, lie. This is your car too?
yeah, because me never know if I reach up back in time by the end.
You catch me, dog. You boy catch cutter on the water now.
People, it was a success, it worked. Food time right now. Steam some rice and now but I do no mackerel. I do some baked bean, white rice and baked bean right now.
So real quick.
What you have to say to the vlog?
Don't smoke weed. Come on for me, camera.
Come on for what?
The mind me, you know, in something wrong with this boy here. That's how I'm gonna first see it.
So Akeem just gone right now. I'm going to my bed and wake up a morning. We're here. We're gonna make a breakfast.
It's actually brunch. It's brunch time. It's like 12:30. It's 1 o'clock.
So brunch time now.
You be drinking mimosas.
We are gonna cook jerk chicken and white rice right now.
So me I go show you a few months I cook today.
Chicken well seasoned, ready for going in the oven, you don't know. Oven well preheated already. Rice just gone in the pot. Just don't wash up everything. Everything gone in the oven right now. We're not too sure what I'm going for today. But as we figure it out, we're not gonna know. Now lie to you know. A piece of thing reached me today. We don't cook, share, consume the food. Nigga right is lit me way. Just a wake up. Night now. Night. Sleep out the whole day. Just reached the studio. Chabas, I gotta lay a couple verse, you know. I gotta lay a couple verse, you know.
I'm tired already.
Chabas tired already. Look how I walk up. 4 flight of steps, stairs, and no matter about tired. So people right now we're there, Supreme Studio. Everybody there.
Chop. Rinse and attack.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yesterday, Mr. Mo.
Yesterday. Supreme.
Yeah, big up. Mad.
What nice place.
Yeah, studio right now, I'm on.
Chabas over there so I can lay some vocals.
Yes.
I was just there and we have vibes. And so I can go on for the night, you know? See the hits them we can drop for the night, you know? Right.
Slow wine and make up her face and she see me alone dead from day one. She's no touch, she no mess with Bayman. She's no touch, she no mess with Bayman. My girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl. She have a wine when me like. Slow down.
So right now we're there.
Right over there.
Just create a hit.
Yeah. We create a body song right away.
Yeah.
You see me, I don't know where it go. Rinse and the thing there. Chabas.
Hit. Run us on now.
Yes, a hit. So
The producer, man. Yeah, man, I'm on thing. Feel like a superman.
Vlog.
Two camera there for me.
That's vlogging. Yeah, give them peace.
Yes, superman. We're not going no more.
So right now,
Just reach home back.
yes,
Famous lesson.
Chabas did it so. Just reach home. Studio was a success. Chabas I go walk blue right now. Them record 2 hit.
Tomorrow I go finish them.
A late part of night right now. I go shell some rice before I go on my bed. I not shell no rice, I joke me make. I just drink some water, say my prayer, and go on my bed. You know what I mean?
Soon tomorrow.
Blessings upon me, and send me to tell you my story.